These 5 Amazon kitchen and home hacks are about to change everything. Prepare to be mind-blown by these genius finds. First, fruit slicer cup that's making food prep magical. Strawberries, bananas, grapes, eggs, detachable design with push plate, perfect slices every time without the mess or finger danger. Second, real stainless steel lemon squeezer that's heavy-duty juice extraction. Manual press power for lemons, oranges, limes, grapefruit, bonus 50 filter bags included. Fresh juice without the struggle. Third, glass olive oil sprayer that's transforming cooking forever. 2-in-1 dispenser bottle, perfect for air. Fryers, salads, BBQ, even oil distribution that saves money and calories. Fourth, automatic trash can with self-sealing and self-changing technology. 4-gallon capacity, motion sensor, touchless operation, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, office. Hygiene meets convenience with 6 refill rings. And last, furniture, sliders with wheels that move 750 pounds like it's nothing. 360 rotatable wheels, furniture lift mover tools, sofas, beds. Heavy furniture, rearrange your home without breaking your back. These aren't just gadgets, they're the brilliant solutions that thousands are discovering and loving. Smart shoppers are grabbing these before they sell out. Tap shop now below, hit the link and grab yours today. Your easier life starts right now.